for because I'm high functioning autism. So me having a vested interest in certain types of mental disorder allowed me. What Google has done, and a lot of big corporation does, has augmented linguistics. This is the enigma. Emotional state and trigger are basically self-explanatory.
Because bipolar can be induced, or manic episode can be induced through insomnia, primarily.
And then you have panentheism, which adds a second layer by postulating that an external divine intervention interpenetrates it, that has no intrinsic meaning.
Polarity. So I was studying tonality in linguistics.
Fruit, insignificant to significant.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.